we'll be diving into how you can store pumpkin seeds to keep them fresh and flavorful. Let's move on to a crucial aspect: storage. Storing pumpkin seeds properly is key to maintaining their freshness, flavor, and nutritional value. Whether you're buying them in bulk or roasting your own at home, you'll want to make sure they stay crisp and tasty for as long as possible. First things first, always store your pumpkin seeds in an airtight container. This prevents them from being exposed to air, which can lead to oxidation, a process that can cause the seeds to go rancid. Rancid seeds not only taste bad, but they also lose much of their nutritional value. So, keeping them sealed tightly is a must. Where should you store them? Well, you have a couple of options depending on how quickly you plan to use them. For short-term storage, keeping them in a cool, dark pantry is perfectly fine. However, if you've bought a large quantity, or if you don't plan to use them right away, I recommend storing them in the refrigerator or even the freezer. The colder temperatures will extend their shelf life significantly, keeping them fresh for months. Another tip: label your storage containers with the date you purchased or roasted the seeds. This way, you can keep track of how long they've been stored. While pumpkin seeds can last for several months if stored correctly, it's always a good idea to rotate your stock, using the older seeds first and replacing them with fresher ones. Let's talk shelf life. At room temperature, pumpkin seeds can stay fresh for about 1 to 2 months. In the refrigerator, you can extend that to 3 to 4 months. And if you're storing them in the freezer, they can last up to 6 months or even longer without losing their quality. Just make sure they're in a well-sealed, airtight container to avoid any moisture getting in. Before using stored pumpkin seeds, always check for freshness. Give them a sniff. Fresh pumpkin seeds should have a mild, nutty aroma. If they smell off or sour, it's a sign that they've gone rancid, and it's best to discard them. Also, give them a taste. Stale seeds will have a noticeably unpleasant flavor. By following these simple storage tips, you'll be able to enjoy your pumpkin seeds at their best. Up next, we'll know DIY pumpkin seed oil. You won't want to miss it. Now it's time to take things to the next level. Have you ever thought about making your own pumpkin seed oil? This DIY project not only allows you to enjoy the rich, nutty flavor of the oil, but it also ensures you know exactly what's going into it. No additives, just pure, natural goodness. All you need is a blender, pumpkin seeds, and a little patience. Pumpkin seed oil is packed with nutrients, including healthy fats, antioxidants, and essential fatty acids. It's a fantastic addition to your diet, whether you're drizzling it over salads, mixing it into dressings, or even using it as a skin moisturizer. And the best part? You can make it right at home with just a few simple steps. Let's get started. The first step in making pumpkin seed oil is roasting the seeds. Roasting enhances the flavor and helps release the natural oils. Spread the raw pumpkin seeds on a baking sheet and roast them in the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Celsius, for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once the seeds are nicely roasted and have a golden brown color, let them cool for a few minutes. Then, transfer them to a high-powered blender or food processor. This next step is all about extracting the oil, so you'll want to blend the seeds until they form a smooth, thick paste. This can take a few minutes, so be patient and keep blending. As the seeds blend, you'll notice the paste becoming increasingly oily. That's exactly what we want. The friction from the blending process helps to release the oils from the seeds. If the mixture seems too dry, you can add a small amount of neutral oil, like olive or grapeseed oil, to help with the extraction. Now comes the extraction part. Once your seed paste is ready, it's time to strain the oil. Take a piece of cheesecloth or a fine mesh strainer and place it over a bowl. Pour the paste into the cloth and start squeezing. This will separate the oil from the solid seed particles. It might take some effort, but the result is worth it. Look at that beautiful dark green oil. That's your very own homemade pumpkin seed oil. Pour it into a clean, airtight glass jar for storage. Pumpkin seed oil has a robust flavor, so a little goes a long way. It's perfect for adding depth to dishes or even for a quick nutritional boost. So there you have it. Whether you're using it in your cooking or as part of your skincare routine, You now have a homemade product that's full of flavor and health benefits. So, the last segment, we'll be discussing potential side effects and considerations. Pumpkin seeds are undoubtedly a powerhouse of nutrients, offering a wide range of health benefits. However, like anything we consume, it's important to be aware of potential side effects and considerations, especially if you're adding them to your diet in larger quantities. In this segment, we'll dive into some of the possible downsides and things to watch out for when consuming pumpkin seeds. First up, let's talk about moderation. Pumpkin seeds are high in calories and healthy fats, which is great for providing energy. But it also means that consuming them in excess can contribute to weight gain if you're not careful. Just because something is healthy doesn't mean you can eat it in unlimited amounts. Portion control is key. Another point to consider is digestion. Pumpkin seeds are high in fiber, which is beneficial for most people, but it can cause issues like bloating, gas, or even constipation if you suddenly start eating a lot of them, especially if your body isn't used to that much fiber. To avoid this, start with small amounts and gradually increase your intake, allowing your digestive system to adjust. Speaking of digestion, how you consume pumpkin seeds matters too. Pumpkin seeds have a tough outer shell, which can be hard to digest for some people, particularly if they're eaten whole. Chewing them thoroughly or opting for shelled seeds can make them easier on your stomach and help you absorb more of the nutrients. Another consideration is how pumpkin seeds might interact with medications. They have natural diuretic properties, which could potentially interfere with diuretic medications. Additionally, because they're rich in magnesium, they might affect how certain medications work, especially those related to blood pressure. Again, it's a good idea to check with your doctor if you're on any long-term medications. To summarize, while pumpkin seeds are a nutritious addition to your diet, it's important to consume them mindfully. Start with moderate amounts, chew them well, and be aware of how they might interact with your digestive system or any medications you're taking. As we wrap up, let's take a moment to reflect on everything we've learned and how pumpkin seeds can be a simple yet powerful addition to a healthy lifestyle. Pumpkin seeds, or pepitas as they're sometimes called, are more than just a seasonal snack. These tiny seeds pack a punch when it comes to nutrients, loaded with protein, healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, improve heart health, or simply add more plant-based protein to your diet, pumpkin seeds have something to offer. Remember, pumpkin seeds are especially rich in magnesium, zinc, and antioxidants, all of which play crucial roles in maintaining overall health. We've discussed how they can help with everything from better sleep and mood regulation to enhanced athletic performance and even skin health. The versatility of pumpkin seeds means they can easily fit into various dietary preferences and health goals. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Also, share your favorite ways to use pumpkin seeds in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and joining me on this journey into the world of pumpkin seeds. Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious, and keep exploring the amazing benefits of natural foods. I will see you in the next video.